So today we will be solving the question redistribute characters to make all strings equal. So in this question they have given us the array words of strings of different characters. We have to see if we can change the position of any character of the element and move that character into any next element to see if both of them are equal, and continue the process till the last element of the array. If at the end we are able to find that all of the elements are equal, then we will return true. As in this case, we can see at the start we have A, B, C, and at the second position we have 2A and B and C. By removing that A character at the third position, all our elements are become equal. So we will return true. But in example 2, we can see we have AB and A. By moving that B character into second position, it doesn't change the any result. So our answer will be false because it is impossible to equate both of these element of the array. So how we can approach this problem? One thing which we can do is to store the count of each variable in the dictionary. Okay, so let us see. First, save the count of each variable in the dictionary. This is our example one. We have count of A 3, count of B 3, count of C also 3. And then we have to divide each character into each element of the array. So our total length of this array is 3. By taking modulus of the length, and if the length equals to 0, that means it is possible to distribute that specific character at all position of our array. By iterating through that dictionary by checking each element count, and if this true for all condition, then we will return true at the end of the for loop. But if this condition falls for even one character, then we will directly return true at that time. As we can see in example 2, we have A count A of 2 and B count is 1, and length of example 2 is 2. So when we first take modulus of this 2, this will become correct. So it will move to the next iteration of dictionary. As soon as it checks the count of B, it will see that it is impossible to distribute 1 into 2 elements. So modulus 2 is equals to 0 condition will get false here, and it will jump into else condition and will return false from there. Okay, so let me consider another example for you. Let's say we have the string of character A, B, B, and we have here A, and at the third position we have A, B, A, and at the last we have only B. So what we can do? We can see we have the length of 4 here. First we will save the count of each word in the dictionary. Here are total 4 A's and 4 B. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the A count becomes 4, B count becomes 4. This is our dictionary. Now, as we know, by taking modulus with this length, the length of this array is 4. So when we take 4 modulus 4, it becomes 0. That condition is also true. That means we can divide A into each element. Also, when we check for B, this condition also satisfies. Then we can also distribute B into each element. That means it's possible for each element that they can equal each other. So we will return true in this case also. So I believe you understand what we have to do. Let me write this code for you. Okay, so we have to store each element count into dictionary. So first we will declare dictionary, and then I'm going to iterate through the array. First, I'm taking each element. Then again using inner loop, I am iterating through the character of each element for character in I and for character in I. And then we will check if that character in dictionary, if that means this, if condition means if that character already exists in the dictionary, then simply what we should do, we should place that character simply by increasing the +1 count of that character. Otherwise, if that character does not exist, then we simply set the count of the character 1. So this is counting each variable and storing into dictionary. Now we have to iterate through the dictionary for key value in dictionary dot items. Okay, so this is the key, this is the value. So we have to check the value. Okay, so value modulus length. Okay, so I have to also declare length. Length is equals to length of words. So if the modulus is equals to 0, that means we have to continue the iteration. But if it is not equal to 0, that means but distributing character is not possible. So we will return false. If our for loop completes and it doesn't return false, that means we can equally divide each character into each position of the array, then we will return true. So I'm going to run this code. So our code has been submitted now. So all our test cases has been passed. I hope that's it for this question. I hope you understand this approach. Thank you for watching.